Welcome to the Elizabethan House. The Elizabethan House is the most complete example of a medieval merchant's house in Plymouth. We're currently embarking on a series of investigation and proposals to restore the house in readiness for the Mayflower 400 celebrations in 2020. Since January 2018, we've commenced a programme of investigation on the historic fabric of the Elizabethan House. Part of that process is understanding the way the building has developed and changed, and we found some fascinating things in this space in particular. One of these things is up here, which is really exciting. We found some original early plasters constructed from earth-lime mortars with really dense hairs. These are the original parts of the construction of the building and are absolutely fascinating, but they must be preserved very, very carefully. So the works that we do and specify will seek to preserve those for the long-term future of the building. Some of the early things that we started to discover in our early investigations is the paint schemes that go beyond the current surfaces of the walls. And here in the plaster you can see a blue scheme. But we've also discovered red paint schemes and yellow paint schemes behind the current surfaces. So there's potentially 250 years worth of evidence that we've yet to discover and learn about the space. Aside from the repair and conservation work that needs to happen, we're working very closely with Plymouth City Council to develop immersive schemes for interpretation. Since the museum closed down 2 years ago, interpretation has come a long way. So we're looking at exciting new ideas for bringing in people, young and old, tourists and local people alike, to make this an exciting place for visitors to come for Mayflower 2020 and beyond.